Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
It's conscious. Whoa, doing 90 on the jet skis. Yeah, we living. Tell these haters come and get me. Come and get me.
Alright, you guys, so it has been about 6 to 7 days, about a full week since I've had this wig in my head. I do not keep it on overnight. This is glueless for me, so I do take it off at night and then put it back on in the morning. But this is pretty much how an entire week is looking. I work 8 hours a day. It's hot, I'm sweating, I've been in humidity. Where I work, it's very humid. The weather switched up, so it went from very hot and humid to also very cold and rainy. So it's been through a lot and it is holding up pretty freaking well. I'm going to start getting into the specs of the hair and shipping and pros and cons. So the wig came in this really pretty nice black box that says Curls Curls on the front, and then on the back it just has social media handles on the back. When you open the wig, when you open the box, it has your paper that has your order number on it, as well as the texture and length that you got it in. It also came with the wig cap, 3 additional combs that you can insert in the wig, and this nice little pamphlet that tells you everything that you need to know about the wig, from unboxing, how to detangle it, how to wash it, deep condition, how to take care of your clip-ins, there's conditioner, stylers, and different type of tools that they suggest that you use on this particular hair that they have. So I ordered the wig on Tuesday, March 30th, and it arrived to me April 6th, which is really quick and fast. I honestly thought I wasn't going to be able to do this wig till like maybe a month later, simply because on the website it does say 7 to 10 business days for shipping and delivery. So shipping is really fast. Customer service was really good. I did not receive my order confirmation, like my original order confirmation, and I messaged them on IG as well as via email because I didn't know if they were responding to their Instagram messages. So that's why I sent them an email as well. But they did message me back on Instagram, and within 24 hours they did everything they could to see why I didn't receive a confirmation. Customer service is very prompt. And yeah, I absolutely love that. So that's 2 points right there. Presentation is everything to me. So packaging was really nice and cute, and customer service was A1 in my opinion. I didn't have any major issues, but the issue that I did have, I felt very safe and secure in their hands. So 2 points right there. Those are like my 2 major like things when it comes to whether I'm buying a wig or not. Those are my 2 major things: presentation and customer service. If you can impress me with that, then I am sold, halfway sold. I will say this wig is perfect for anyone who's transitioning over to natural hair, or transitioning from damaged hair if they big chop like myself, and this is a good alternative to protective style. Like, I love this wig. I don't really have any cons. The only con, it's not personal cons, but I would just be aware, like if you are someone who does not like maintenance and just want to plop a wig on and off, this is not the wig for you. It literally mimics natural hair, natural kinky curly hair. So you're gonna have to go through detangling the hair when it's time to wash it and restyle it. It is what it is when you're detangling. It's a coil, it's a tighter coil at that, so you are going to get a few strands, just like as if I was detangling my natural hair. So it wasn't something that bothered me, it was just something I was aware of and used to. But yeah, if you don't want anything like to deal with the maintenance, then I wouldn't suggest this wig at all. Like, this wig can be low maintenance if you take the time out when you initially detangle it and style it, and then throughout the week, like, all I did was take it off at night, put it on, shake my head, and go. Like, I didn't have to worry about baby hairs. Like, that's another good thing, like how good this lace is. I did not have to worry about any baby hairs every day. I have an elastic band sewed in, so I did not have to worry about laying it down as far as melting the lace with spray or glue. I just literally put this wig on every day, shook my hair out, and let it get big and natural throughout the week. Very low maintenance. Like, once you do that initial styling, then throughout the week you're pretty good, and then you'll have to repeat the process again. I really don't have any cons with this wig. Yeah, like, this wig is everything. Like, it looks so good. I cannot wait to play around with different styles with this wig. Maybe some braid outs, some twist outs. I don't know. What do you guys want to see me do with this wig? Let me know in the comments below. Pretty much the end of this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.